So now we learn about how to prepare your creatives. So we go to library, select on creative. So creative is basically the ad that will come on the TikTok app. There are two options. One is image and one is video. Now TikTok is more of a video platform, so I suggest do not put images as your creatives. They will not work as you want them to work. So let's work only on videos. Let's say you want to put an image, so you can click on upload here and upload your image. When you're uploading an image, make sure that your file size is not more than 500 KB. Your dimensions are as you see over here, and the format is JPG or PNG. I still repeat, do not make images as your creatives. Try your best to use only videos. Let's say you only have images for your creatives. You can combine these images and make a video of it. You don't need to know any specific video, like you need not know how to work with a video editor. You can go on video and you can create a video ad here itself. So let's create one. So when you click on create, there are multiple options: video generator, landing page to video, smart video soundtrack. Okay, so what is a smart video soundtrack? So let's say you have a video you without any sound, so you can upload it here and TikTok will give you options for background music. There are three sizes of videos that you can use for TikTok ads. One is 9 by 16, one is 1:1, and 16:9. 9 by 16 is a vertical video which covers the entire phone screen, like most of the phone screen. That is the most recommended format for a TikTok video. Second is 1:1, which is a square, and third is 16 is to 9. 16 is to 9 is a video format which is horizontal video, which you see on most YouTube videos. So if you want to do advertisement on TikTok, go with 9 by 16 vertical videos. They work the best. Second option is landing page to video. In landing page to video, what you can do is you can put your product page over here. TikTok will take images automatically for you and they will create a video out of it. So for example, let's take a product from Amazon. Okay, let's take this cornflakes. Okay, so I'll put up here and do submit, and as you can see, TikTok is picking up images from that page and creating a video for you. So let's wait till it happens. See, there's a video that is already created. I'm going to do a play. So there are multiple videos that you can use. Let's say you want to make any changes to this video, you can click on edit video, and if there are any images that you want to remove, you can remove it from here, or you can select update and it will update that image. You can even change the music that you want. There are a lot of music options available here. You can preview them over here and you can select it, and then you agree the terms and condition and save and edit. So let's see what other options that we have. This is still processing. Okay, so it's taking time, but I believe you get the point here of how you can create a video even if you don't have anything but just your website link. Then there is an option which is video generator, wherein there are two options. One is use video template and smart video. So when you use a video template, there are different options that you see over here. So let's see this. So let's say I want to go with this option. So I can select on use. Once I select on use, I can upload whatever images that I want over here. I can change the text. This is the headline. So if you see the preview, the headline will be essentially your whatever you want it to come on the top. So you can edit it here. Your product name, say t-shirt for women, or we can have the headline as t-shirt for women, 100% cotton. T-shirt for women, 100% cotton. This is description 1, description 2. So you can essentially work with this, play around with different options, different things, and then you can create your own video if you only have images. It's that simple. You can click on video name, you can submit here, and you can confirm. Once you click confirm, the video gets saved to your library. Now you click on confirm, the video will be in your library. Here it is. And there's one more option, smart video. Okay, so you select the aspect ratio. Vertical is what we want to use. Here if you have your own video, you can upload your video over here. Okay, here you can go to video settings. What kind of video do you want? Do you want it fast paced and dynamic, or you want it slower? Your duration of video, any subtitles that you want, and the final frame. Is there any specific photo that you want as finance frame, and then you confirm. This will depend. I'm not showing you an example because there are n number of possibilities you can do with this. You can upload multiple videos, you can upload it from your, you can upload multiple photos as well. So I suggest just work around, play around with this, and you will see that even if you don't know any video editing, you will be able to create kick-ass videos. So for now I'm canceling this. So essentially that's how you create a creative. Now what do you need to know when you create a creative? Make sure that it's vertical. First of all, I'm repeating again and again because that's what works. If you do other type of videos, you will see that a lot of people are doing horizontal videos, but they do not work. So what happens is you will run, you will spend money, you will see that it's not working, and you'll stop spending, and you'll stop advertising on TikTok. So start with vertical. Even if you find it tough, take some time, make creatives which are vertical, and that will work. So one is that. Second is keep them short. TikTok is a platform where people want to swipe up very early. They're not going to be waiting and looking at your typical TVC type, like what you see on television. There is long commercials, 1 minute, 1.5 minute. This is not what they like. These are people who are young and they want everything quickly. So make sure that your product video is made in such a way that it's like you are able to show them everything that you want to show them. You are able to convey everything that you want to in 30 seconds to maximum 1 minute, not more than that.